So I was assigned to Bunchy, and Bunchy is pretty much just a way for teachers to create and present tools for students um, online for like an interactive classroom content. And that way they can visualize the concepts and communicate creatively through the website. So once you go on here, you can click on the website. And I already made an account, but it will show you this account and it will say either if you want to do a free trial for 30 days, if you want to do like a premium and like all that you could pay for. And then I could do either you want to be the student, the teacher, business, or other. So I'll do the teacher. I can make my own profile, which might take some time. Okay. So then there's just a video if you want to watch it to show you exactly what you're going to be doing. But here you can sign your classroom in through here. I'm doing the 30-day free trial one, but you can create assignments or just share your like ideas with the class. That's the students, they can share stuff with me if they would like to. Here is a resource tab where if it's your first time, it tells you exactly what you could do, what your students can do on here. Here you'll put in the class that you want. It doesn't say exactly how many. Here, I'll put second grade. So I don't believe that it will say how many students exactly can be in it. I won't put a subject. But if I do create, okay, so I can add as many students as I want. Let me check. Yeah, okay, never mind. You can add as many students as you want. So your whole classroom can be on here. It's a fun way just to communicate with your classroom, give them assignments, anything really that they would be able to do at home if it prohibits for that. Go back. If I do create, let's see. If I want to create something, there's animation, stickers, messages. I can do YouTube videos. I could draw something for them. Picture. I can do a QR code if they do need it for an assignment. I could put my own video in here. Khan Academy is actually a really great one if you want to use that for the kids to learn more at home with their parents or on their own if they need to. Anything really that you could need to add into this is a great way to use Bunchy because it will let you do it. And it's inexpensive and it's great for the classroom because it doesn't have a limit on how many kids per class, which is amazing. Because I know like Seesaw, I'm pretty sure does, or like Boom Cards has a limit on how many kids per class you could do. So if I wanted to create, I could do that. I could create it, more slides. I could show the class. They could, like for assignments, they could send me back what their assignment was, or they could add their own ideas into it. And it's a great way for parents as well to see what exactly the kids are doing. So I'll go out of this and I'll sign in as a student so I can show you what they will see. Let me see if I can do that exactly. If I sign in as a student, no. Okay. Maybe this way. Maybe I can, but yeah, so it looks like I cannot log out to show you the student view. Oh, never mind, here we go. Yeah, so I don't have a class code obviously, but the student will add a class code into it and they can go into it and do their assignments, what they need to do, share it with me. I will see what they're doing. And it's just a fun way for kids to learn on here and for the parents to see it as well. And just a creative and fun way for them to really open their minds up and do what they need to do, but make it as enjoyable for them as it can be. Xabunshy is a very amazing website to use for teachers and educators and students and parents, whoever can use it, to grow their child's brain.